Okay, let's see how Android Studio is working. So I installed this Android Studio for a long time ago. So I'm trying to tell you about how to use this Android Studio. First of all, you have to download this. Okay, you can download it as a free on the website. You can go. Okay, is open. You can go there like and Android Studio. You can go here, download Android Studio and SDK tools for Android developers. So from this link I will give in the description. From here you can download it. It's a very big software in your computer or PC, so you keep sure that the enough memory is there for this software. Windows basically uses Java, XML and Kotlin, right? These languages, and you can build up your own API system or API app system, how you want to create or not. Here is a lot of things written over here. Visual layout editor. Okay, how you can use the layout APK analyzer, how you can create a device like this. Look at this, more about the emulator, right? So this is an emulator. You can also connect to USB to your phone and run and saw the output on your phone, but there was a condition. You have to on your USB or debugging option, USB debugging option, so that should be on your phone, and that's it. You can download it here. From here you can go for it and download it, and from the very beginning we show like this. You will see like this, and there will be a this is a tip box for you. You can go for it by pressing what are the tips for you. Okay, and you can learn a lot of things from here. Stream. Okay, so I right now I'm closing it. I'm just telling you what is the basic thing. So you'll find over here this app and the granted. So if you go for app, there is a some sub folder there: manifest, Java, generated Java, and res means resources, like Grendel and the Grendel script. These actually what are the running building, what is the libraries or scripts you need for your system. So there is a file. You can go for new project. Okay, you can choose basic activity, empty activity, and so on. There is a wire OS and Google Maps wire activity. TV option is there. Android Auto, there is a media service and messaging service, and the last of Android things. Okay, so first of all we will go to basic things. Choose the empty activity, go to next, and give your name something, and the package should be untouched, and the location you wherever you want to say that will be the position, and choose the minimum API level. From here it should be ice cream 4 and 4, because there is a approximately of 100% of devices. If you choose this is the approximately of 85% of devices, so there is no usefulness. So it should be compatible for the all devices you are plugged into any devices whenever you want to install it app your apps. Like what kind of app we are using, right? We are using knowledgeable apps, gaming apps, there is lots of type of apps, right? There is a ride sharing apps, which is we are known bike sharing, car Uber, right? There's lots of sharing apps in our Play Store. So these one kind of apps that you can communicate with your clients. You should take this option and click finish. I already did all of this, and there is also which language you are going to use, Kotlin or Java. So Java is the, and click finish, and the project will be ready for you. So after completing them, that you will find these four things and the gradients. The main task is two main things. If you are running in first time, uh, I name this project is late one, and this is my activity main XML with the resources and in my layout. Okay, resources, it was in my resource folder in layout, and in app there is a Java folder, and main activity is in on my Java main activity. Java, this is my main activity. Okay, this two. So this is Java and this is main activity. So from here what we can see, we see there's a basic code right written here. This is a text field called flow. So this is a button, you can see this is a red one, you can delete also. This is compressed by from four side, left, right, bottom, up, and you can change the content over right here, attributes. Okay. And is a constant layout. There are a lot of things in the bottom: image view, recent view, flatness, scroll usage. There are a lot of options there. So you can go for your first. And the main thing over here, this is a general code, which is package, which are given in our folder, and there is nothing on it. Okay, so these two things will be made for you. So next thing you wanna do, you can go for setting, for you change the uh, theme, and you can want to change whatever. You go to appearance, you can use custom font, click check here and apply. It will be uh, do it for you. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, my mouse is disturbing right now, so much pathetic to me. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so you can go for editor, general, font, color scheme, and a lot of things. If you want to change your code style, inspections, layout editor, you can change the overhead general, and you can, oh, first of all you can zoom in and zoom out. So first of all it is unchecked, you can check this checked and go for okay. Editor is schema is there, system is there, appearance, main and toolbars, go for and that those things, and discover yourself. It will be the info for you. Okay, so and there is a file, editor, view, navigation view. There's a lot of things. The toolbars, navigation bar, right? The system of this Android device will automatically download itself the whatever it needs. You can go for run. If you go for run, it will choose for ADB device, or you can create new virtual. I created a device called Mustafa app. So you have to create such a device. If I click OK, it will show you is processing, right? Your saying is Android is running. There is my apps, which is a late one, and here is my world. So this is my program, right? Here again, that was my previous one, and this install is done, and now install again is the hello world. So that is a basic thing for Android Studio. You can go for yourself and go whatever you want to do. So I have to take, show you know how to create a device like this. But you can go for USB cable plug into your phone also, and it will show your phone directly also. Okay. Right now I'm closing it and it's saving. The option goes to finish with exit code 0. You can go for, here is a AVD manager. AVD manager, that click AVD manager. It will come, it will take some time. If you want to create a virtual device like a emulator, we call it emulator. Okay, so there is no, so go for click here AVD manager and go for create virtual device. So there is a pixel 2 is Google. Go for next. Okay, so here is the system. What is the system is going to look like, or what actually be a your, not actually be your OS look like, right? So there is no he's recommending me the Q, Pi, Oreo, Nougat, and Nougat. Okay, this type of OS, but I didn't have this type of OS in my device, so I have to download this, but I don't need it. So there is a basic OS on Pi, on, and this. Okay, go to next. You can go to give a name for your device and whatever you want to say. I did it Mustafi Zubair, so you can say it your name and device and click portrait. If you want to change the ratio of, you don't need to change. Show advanced setting, there is a lot of advanced setting: camera, front, emulator, back, speed, and quick boot. So there is a lot of option in advanced settings. You can go on, there is a RAM option, VM, so that you can sit and finish. Click the finish, then it will be automatically created. Okay, I created one that it will take a lot of size Gs and CPU, so that's why I'm not getting another AVD device, because my PC is not so much good. And you are good to go. Yeah, your device is now running. You can, if you click here, it will launch this AVD in an emulator. So you are good to go. So this is the basic thing if you are a Android developer for a beginner. Okay, there is a text view also. You can write code in XML and you can view it here. Okay, we'll discuss in deeply in next. And is a bit output. If there is all and green, take that is means all things are in okay. You are ready to run this machine. Okay, and is an event log. Event log is saying that what is going to be happen in your emulator. There is a daemon started successfully. Emulator process finished with exit 0 code. General build visit finish in 7. How many times it takes? So it is green. So there is also a terminal. We can do it, logcat, run, and a lot of options there. You have to go for first of all, you have to go to as a beginner, go to this website. I will give you this link in my description and download it and check out yourself and do this fast running of LOI. It has been already, I saw it already. I describe you how it works, right? That's it. So you have nothing to lose. In future we will discuss about how to make custom apps, like very good apps, right? Ride sharing, or that will be a very basic Google Maps, right? Google Maps is also apps, right? We don't, right? You also know about Google Maps, also about what document apps. There are a lot of apps. Like Facebook is also an app, right? So that's type of apps how it's being made for Google Play Store. We will discuss. Okay, and this for this uh, all about. I think I said said too much, right? That's it. I think is good to go. Thank you. Hopefully you will like this video. If you uh, like it is good, and if you not is not. Whatever. Funny thing. Okay, I am too much. Good to go. Bye.